Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to create a database. So we will just type the syntax create database and then database name, which would be examples. So just run this query and a new database will be created. So on the right, if you will refresh, there will be a new database which will appear, examples. Now it doesn't have any table, so you won't see it or anything under this tables, but soon we will be creating a table. So create table, table name would be, for example, fruits, and then SNO, which would be the serial number, and its type would be int, and then fruits name, and then its data type, which would be varchar, and we can have the length 100, and then we will be having quantity, which would again be int. So you don't have to define the length for int type or data type. So this is as per the new specifications of MySQL. So now a table has been created, and if you will refresh this, you will find that a table has been created, but the table didn't get created in the right database. So you have to enter the name of the database as well. So that would be examples dot fruits. So fruits is the name of the table which we want to create, and the database would be examples, inside which we want to create that table. So now if you will run this query, it will be executed, and if you refresh this, you will see that a new table is listed under this tables section, which is under the examples database. So here's the table. So this is how you create a new database and a new table inside that database.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.